Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Sign in to your Google account on a trusted device and make sure two-factor authentication is active for safety. Once signed in, go directly to the Data and Privacy or Security section. You'll need to access activity, devices, and app permissions. Identify where biometric or fingerprint traces could exist, saved devices, connected apps, and payment profiles. This step prevents accidental lockouts later, so pause and confirm you can re-authenticate. When ready, move to Remove Device and App Access. First, remove any unfamiliar devices. In your devices, select the device and choose Sign Out. This severs a fingerprint link to that hardware. Next, audit third-party app permissions. Revoke apps that request sensitive data or that you no longer use by hitting Remove or Disconnect. Also examine connected sites and saved payment or biometric settings. Delete stored biometric templates or payment profiles linked to fingerprints where options exist. Make sure to save changes and re-authenticate if prompted to confirm those removals. Finish by clearing browser cache, saved autofill entries, and any passwords tied to devices so residual identifiers are gone. Then, on your phone or laptop, reset fingerprint templates or disable biometric unlock. This severs local fingerprints from account ties. Once done, sign out and sign back in to confirm changes propagated. Make sure permissions remain revoked. If something fails, clear cookies and repeat the steps, and if it still persists, contact Google support with exact device and timestamp details so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.